Hey, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today we're going to be moving firewood from our wood shelter around to the back. We need a little bit more wood for the rest of the year, but I'm going to eventually just fill up the spot underneath my deck where I keep firewood. We're going to make room in that wood shelter because we have logs coming in. We're going to order a truckload of logs for firewood for 2 winters from now. You know, it's such a nice day. It's like plus 2 degrees out. It's a really beautiful day. Would have been a good day to go ice fishing, but work comes first. Play can't always come first, so I got to go get all this firewood, bring it around. And we're going to do a little bit of wood splitting as well, and then I got to go get a cedar tree here in the property for kindling. So we're going to get to it. Alright, this is where we bring our wood around to be burned for the winter season. We can store a bunch in here. I usually have this full. I will have this full again before spring hits. And that'll be there for next year. And right now we're just bringing some around to there and over to here. And we could split wood here for the remaining of the year. The only reason I'm splitting some of this wood, as you can see, it's pretty big. And it's only got a year of seasoning. And when I put it into the fire, you know, it's still a bit green. You can see water seeping out of it. So what I do is I split it, and it just burns hotter and faster, which is not good burning faster, but it burns better and it burns hotter. And in these mild temperatures, we only need to put some in the morning and then maybe in the evening, and we're good for the day, especially when the sun is out. We don't have to burn wood all day long. Too much more in this time of year, especially in March and April. This is just probably half or even less than half of all the cedar I got out of that one tree. So that, or kindling I should say, that makes a lot of kindling. Okay, this is where we store our kindling, and the old tank's just behind there, but gets lots of warmth here, it dries out quick, and we just have to carry it around to the furnace when we need it. So we have a good stash for the rest of the heating season right now, and we'll have a little bit over to get started into the next season. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just hit the subscribe button, come on back, I'd really appreciate it, and hit the like button. We'll see you on the next video.